I'm Cara and welcome to this nice easy seated sequence. So when you're ready, just start with legs crossed, hands to your knees, and feel your elbows beneath your shoulders. And then you can either half close or completely close your eyes. And we'll start just by bringing your attention into your breath. So breathe in and out through your nose and feel your breath go right the way down into your belly. Now as you breathe, you can keep your eyes closed or gently open them. We're just going to allow one ear to move towards one shoulder. Gentle stretch for the neck. Then slowly over to the other side. Good. Once more each way, moving slowly and smoothly. Before returning back to center. Good. Bring one knee into the chest. It doesn't matter which side you go. Hands come either side of that foot. And then you're going to straighten and bend the leg forward. It doesn't matter if the leg goes completely straight or not. It's just working forward towards straight. And then bending again to bring the heel down. Good, we'll swap the hands over so the thumbs face down, and next time it goes towards straight, holding it there. Think about the shoulders drawing back, pressing that foot forward. And then you can bend your knee, and we're going to bring this foot to the other side of the knee. Now, if you find that really lifts your sit bones off, then maybe bring it just to the inside, and that's okay. If you can, bring it to the outside if that doesn't adjust your body too much. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, we're going to twist around so you've got opposite hand or opposite elbow against the knee, just helping you to make that twist. Think about the chest leading as you twist. And then release back to center. Unravel your legs. And we're going to pick up the other side. And we'll start with that straightening and bending a few times. So you're working towards straight and then bending the leg again. Taking a few repetitions. Again, it's just as close towards straight as your body allows, but you're always working with your own body, not judging it. And then we'll swap the hands over so the thumbs face down, work the leg up towards straight and then hold there. And then bringing that foot over to the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen up through center. Again, either hand to the knee or elbow to the knee to help you twist your body around. Focus in on your breath as you twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, maybe rotate a little bit more. And then release back to center, and we'll return the legs to cross legs. Now if you can, cross them over the unusual way. So you'll find you'll have a normal way of crossing your legs. You'll find one way feels a little bit strange to you, and we'll do that just to help balance out the body. Good, think about lower back belly drawing in, sitting up nice and tall. We're going to bring the arms wide, thumbs face up to the sky. And then as we bow the head and round the back, the thumbs are going to face forward and then down. Turning the palms to face back behind you or even up to the sky. And then inhale, lift the chest and the chin, turn the thumbs to face up. Maybe even the thumbs start to turn back as you lift the chest forward. Couple more repetitions. Exhale, Round the back, round the thumbs, rotate the arms. Inhale, rotate back up, lift the chest and the chin. Exhale, rotate down, allow the back to round. Inhale, back to center. Good, release the arms down. Cross the legs over the regular way. Inhale, lengthen up through the top of your head. Exhale, walk the fingertips forward. They might just go a little way and that might be enough of a stretch. Some of you, you'll be able to bring the forearms to the ground, maybe even the head to the hands. But don't judge yourself again. It's just going as far as your body allows, even if you're up nice and tall. You're listening to your body, you're working with your body and holding, maintaining, finding presence in that stretch. And then slow to release out. Swap the legs once more to the unusual way. We'll do exactly the same then. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, walk those hands forward, finding your end range. And again, just allow the body to soften, allow the breath to soften but deepen. Just really appreciating however far into the pose you can go. Appreciating your body for all that it can do. And then slow to lift back up. Good. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a lovely day.